Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if your iPhone X is connected to Wi-Fi but don't have internet, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings, first thing you need to try, and just open your Wi-Fi and just check here if you don't see here yellow color and no internet access. So also you can try to, first thing it's turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on, just reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to go here and just forget this network and just again tap your password and just try to connect again. And also you need to check your Wi-Fi router, maybe you need to restore it, so just try to restore your Wi-Fi router, and if it doesn't works for you, so just swipe here and just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it on off. So, and if it doesn't help you too, you just need to go to the general. Here you need to find reset and just try reset network settings. So just tap here and submit resetting network settings. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.